Hello, my friend. I'm Tony from Kesu. Today we received a batch of special bronze. It's European standard nickel aluminum bronze. It's very difficult to purchase them in China, so our QC have to measure them with our X-ray fluorescence spectrometer. Our team have to ensure the material meet the European standards such as the element composition, the density, and the strength performance. In high-quality production, every step must be strictly controlled, and material controlling is our first priority. Before our company purchased this Hitachi Spectrometer, we bought a lot of fake material and suffered great loss. So our team are very rigorous about the material purchasing. Have you ever met any tribe during material purchasing and encounter with bad supplier? Leave your comment for discuss and keep other people away from the fake material. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.